Welcome to Tamaan Banawi Multipurpose Cooperative Pre-Membership Education Seminar, your first step in joining our cooperative. In this video, you're gonna learn more what does cooperative means, cooperative principles, privileges, benefits, and the responsibilities once you become a member of Tamaan BMPC. Hello mga katamaan! Meron tayong 7 cooperative principles. And first, voluntary and open membership. The cooperative is open to any individual without discrimination, regardless of gender, race, social status, religion, and political affiliation, as long as the individual is willing to follow the principles and the bylaws of the cooperative.
Number 2, democratic member control. A cooperation is a democratic organization. Selecting officials are decided by its members with equal voting rights. One member, one vote.
Third, member economic participation. Every member is required to contribute and participate in the growth of the cooperative through regular savings and share capital.
Number 4, autonomy and independence. Since cooperatives are autonomous organization, the membership determines the cooperative's course of its own, who they wanted to enter agreements, and what business they wanted to operate.
Fifth, education, training, and information. The co-op provides its members, employees, and the cooperative officials with the opportunity to be involved with the continuous education and training.
Number 6, cooperation among cooperatives. Collaboration of cooperatives will help strengthen the cooperative movement in serving effectively its members. Together, we can achieve more.
And lastly, concern for the community. The cooperative implements member-approved policies to promote the sustainable development of their communities.
And these are the 7 cooperative principles. Bago tayo magpatuloy, ating alamin kung ano nga ba ang kooperatiba. Ang kooperatiba ay isang autonomous and duly registered na asosasyon ng mga tao with common bond of interest na kusang nagsama-sama upang makamit ang kanilang mga pangangailangan at adhikain sa lipunan, ekonomiya at kultura sa pamamagitan ng paggawa ng patas na kontribusyon sa kapital na kinakailangan, pagtangkilik sa mga produkto at serbisyo at pagtanggap sa patas na bahagi ng mga risks and benefits ng gawain alinsunod sa universally accepted cooperative principles. Ang mga miyembro ay itinuturing na kapwa-may-ari sapagkat sila ay nag-aambag ng porsyento sa kapital ng kooperatiba. Ang mga miyembro naman ay nakikinabang sa pamamagitan ng pagtanggap ng mga dibidendo at patronage refund pagkatapos ng isang taong matagumpay na operasyon.
Atin namang kilalanin kung sino nga ba ang Tamaan Banawi Multipurpose Cooperative, paano ito nagsimula at ang kanyang dakilang layunin kung bakit ito itinatag. Unang-una ay magandang malaman natin kung ano nga ba ang vision or pananaw ng ating kooperatibang Tamaan. Tamaan BMPC envisions to be a viable, progressive, and professionally managed cooperative providing quality financial services and responding to the needs of the members and the community. Mahalaga din na maalam ang nagpapatakbo ng ating kooperatiba, kaya naman patuloy ang ating mga trainings and seminars para sa continuous development ng ating mga empleyado, nang sa gayon ay mapag-igihan pa natin ang pagseserbisyo sa ating komunidad. Sunod dito ay ang ating goals. So ano nga ba ang gustong marating ng ating kooperatibang Tamaan? Tamaan BMPC aims to make every member a millionaire one at a time. Malinaw dito ang kagustuhan ng ating kooperatiba na itaas ang antas ng pamumuhay ng bawat isa. Kaya naman nandyan ang ating mga financial services gaya na lang ng ating loans. Ang ating pautang ay hindi lamang umiikot sa loan releasing at collection nito. Tinuturuan din natin ang ating mga members na palaguin ang kanilang perang nahiram through loan counseling at entrepreneurship seminars. Gayon din sa ating pag-iimpok. Sinusulong natin ang habit of savings. Kaya naman nandyan ang ating mga field officers para maging convenient sa ating mga members ang kanilang pag-iipon. Through this spirit of cooperative, ang pagkakaroon ng malasakit sa bawat isa, we believe that eventually, we would become a member millionaire of our Tam-An Cooperative.
Our cooperative also has its mission, and our mission is to extend financial services to entrepreneurial poor in order to improve their quality of life. Tam-An Banawe Multipurpose Cooperative offers savings and loan products. We encourage the habit of savings for capital build-up, and we also offer loan products to members in which they can use to start their business and expand their business also, especially those people who doesn't have capital to do so. With this purpose, members can potentially improve their financial situation, create better opportunity for themselves, and ultimately lead better lives.
Tam-An BMPC strongly lives by its 7 core values with the acronym Tam-An BMPC. T stands for trustworthy. With 33 years of public service, we can guarantee that Tam-An BMPC you are in good hands.
A stands for accountability. It is our sworn duty to do our job to the best of our abilities with great responsibilities in uplifting the lives of our members and the community.
M stands for morally upright. Everything that we do rests upon our commitment in the eyes of God and the law.
A stands for accessibility. We are at your doorstep. Every year, we keep expanding our operations in keeping our vision to build a better future for everyone.
N stands for nobility in service. Honesty is our brand, and it is with this quality that we remain as one of the most trusted cooperatives.
B stands for benevolence. A cooperative of the poor working tirelessly for the sake of its members at all times.
M stands for maker of dreams. Every decision and action we make are geared to see the fulfillment of our members' aspiration in life.
P stands for pillar of progress. Wherever we may be found, it is our mission to bring progress to different communities.
And C stands for commitment to uplift lives. Every day, we persevere and work hard to see a better future of the Philippines we all together have built. And these are the core values of Tam-An BMPC.
Let's learn more about the history of our cooperative. Tam-An Banawe Multipurpose Cooperative started driven by a common interest. It was organized with the aim of requesting help from the Department of Agriculture for the vaccination of the hogs after a disease plagued the village of Tam-An Banawe, Ifugao. With the founders witnessing the positive effect of being united as an organization, the group eventually established Tam-An Banawe Multipurpose Cooperative on May 9, 1991 with 25 members and 25,000 in assets, with its main office located in Tam-An Banawe, Ifugao. Our cooperative was able to overcome a big challenge with the help of NATCO, or National Confederation of Cooperatives, through Congressman Chris Paez. With this, Tam-An Banawe Multipurpose Cooperative was able to rise.
And now, we are the first multi-billionaire cooperative in the whole region too. With 5 billion in assets as of today, we have 62 branches located in Nueva Vizcaya, Quirino, Isabela, Ifugao, Mountain Province, Cagayan, Aurora, Nueva Ecija, and Baguio City. The head office is strategically relocated to Poblacion North, Solano, Nueva Vizcaya, with more than 200,000 members in total from its humble beginning in the mountains of Banawe, and now it stands as one with the pinnacle of success, known for its tagline, "Let's build a better future together." Tam-An BMPC manifests its commitment to the community without regards to borders and differences.
Alam mo bang may dalawang uri ng membership ang ating kooperatiba?
Number 1, regular member ay nasa 18 to 65 years old na mayroong share capital na 5,000 and above at may karapatang bumoto during General Assembly. Ang mga benepisyo ng isang regular member ay hospitalization benefit, accident hospitalization benefit, damayan benefit, accident death benefit, dividend and patronage refund, and lifetime discount to other business or special project of the cooperative. Number 2, associate member ay nasa 18 to 65 years old na mayroong share capital na 4,999 below at walang karapatang bumoto during General Assembly.
Katam-an, heto na ang mga savings deposit product ng ating kooperatiba.
Regular savings, open to any age. May interest na 2% per annum upon reaching the minimum balance of 1,000 pesos. Withdrawable anytime. Pangarap savings, open to any age. May interest na 4% per annum upon reaching the minimum balance of 1,000 pesos. Withdrawable after 1 year.
Bukod sa mga savings deposits product na pwede nating i-avail, meron din tayong tinatawag na time deposit na pwede rin nating i-avail. Meron tayong short-term time deposit, meron din tayong long-term time deposit. Ang short-term time deposit natin ay 5 to 8 months at ang long-term time deposit natin ay 9 to 12 months na may competitive interest. Sa lahat ng savings deposit products natin at time deposit, lahat po ito ay tax-free.
Magandang buhay mga katamaan! Gusto mo bang madagdagan ang iyong puhunan o di kaya kulang ang iyong budget? Halika na at mag-apply sa ating 13-week loans ng ating kooperatiba. Una ay ang ating regular loan na pwedeng applyan up to 1 million ng ating mga miyembro na may 5,000 and above na share capital. Business loan. Para naman ito sa mga miyembro na gustong magdagdag ng kanilang puhunan. I-avail na ang ating business loan.
Ating market vendors loan na nakalaan para sa ating mga market vendors para sa kanilang pagnenegosyo.
Katamaan, gusto mo ba ng bagong sasakyan o di kaya motorsiklo? Halika na at mag-apply sa ating kooperatiba at meron tayong vehicle loan na pwede nyong i-apply hanggang 2 million.
Need a budget for your gadget? Dito sa Tamaan, we finance cellphone, laptop, pati na rin mga electronic appliances. Avail our Techno loan up to 300,000 pesos. Simulan ang iyong pinapangarap na bahay with the help of our housing loan. Let your dream house do come true.
Naubusan ka ba ng bigas? Avail na ang ating rice loan para ma-enjoy ang ating Tamaan Iconic Rice. Pwede rin sa mga miyembro na gustong magbenta ng bigas at pwedeng mag-apply hanggang 50,000. Kung kailangan mo naman ng pondo para sa anumang pang-agrikultura, ang kooperatibang Tamaan ay nag-offer ng agricultural loan na pwede niyong applyan hanggang 3 million.
Para naman sa mga long-time members natin na may 3 years in operation, na gustong mag-expand ng kanilang mga business o gustong magdagdag ng kanilang mga negosyo, mayroon tayong tinatawag na pamatatag na negosyo loan na pwede nating i-avail hanggang 50 million. Ang susunod ay ang walang iwanan negosyo loan. Ang loan na to ay pwedeng i-avail ng ating mga miyembro na merong 25,000 and above share capital at 100 time deposit as their investment. Ang loan na to ay pwede nilang i-avail kung gusto nilang dagdagan pa ang kanilang puhunan. Ito ay umaabot hanggang 50 million.
Meron naman tayong tinatawag na future loan o pondo sa pagbabago at pag-asenso loan na pwedeng i-avail hanggang 300,000 ng ating mga miyembro na napektuhan ng krisis dulot ng pandemic o di kaya natural calamities.
Fast and easy loan release ba ang hanap mo? Emergency loan ang sagot dyan. Available to members up to 50,000 or 80% ng inyong current share capital.
And lastly, meron po tayong bayanihan loan na para naman sa ating mga farmer members na may sakahan na nakarehistro sa RSBSA o Registry System for the Basic Sectors in Agriculture, and loan to avail is up to 5 million. At ngayon naman ay ating pag-usapan kung ano ang mga qualifications, requirements at interest rates ng ating mga loan application.
Unang kwalifikasyon, tinatanggap lamang ang 18 to 60 years old na miyembro. Kailangang pumasa rin ito sa 6 Cs ng kooperatiba. Merong good credit reputation at sa mga iba pang financial services sa kanilang lugar. May existing business at stable din ang source of income para may sapat na pagkukunan pag dumating na ang loan due date ng kanyang loan. May positive cash flow, may collateral o asset na pwedeng pang-secure sa loan at malinaw din ang kanyang purpose ng loan. Pangalawa, ang mga requirements na kailangan nating i-prepare para maka-avail tayo ng loan. Barangay clearance, tig 2 2x2 ID picture, husband and wife, 2 valid IDs, husband and wife, birth certificate, marriage contract if married, at business registration.
Ito ang ilan sa mga best practices ng Tamaan BMPC. Una, free mass wedding. Gusto nyo bang ikasal pero walang budget? Sagot yan ng Tamaan BMPC. Mayroon tayong free mass wedding every 3rd Saturday of February. Pangalawa, Employment opportunities. May kakilala ka ba o kamag-anak na gustong magkatrabaho? Continuous hiring ang Tamaan BMTC. Pangatlo, free medical check-up. Gusto nyo ba ng libreng check-up? Tara na at i-avail ang free medical check-up every Thursday, 2 p.m. onwards at Tamaan Tomas Damayan Foundation. Pang-apat, free medicine and vitamins. Ang ating kooperatiba ay nagbibigay ng libreng mga gamot at mga bitamina every Thursday, 2 p.m. onwards at Tamaan Tomas Damayan Foundation.
Good morning po, ma'am. Sa Tamaan po, savings po.
Panglima, door-to-door services. For your convenience, ang koleksyon ng savings, loans, and other deliveries ay door-to-door na. Ito ay upang mapanatiling lahat ng miyembro ay komportable.
Para sa mga karagdagang katanungan, bumisita lamang sa ating pinakamalapit na opisina sa inyong lugar. Maraming salamat at magandang buhay, Katamaan!
Together, let's build a better